Closed-circuit television cameras were active at the Doubleday Hotel during the time 11-year-old Adriana Younge went missing, according to Dr. Dexter Todd, the attorney representing the child's family. Todd made the disclosure at a press conference as questions continued to mount surrounding the mysterious circumstances of Younge's death.
We are aware, and we want to put this on record, we are aware that the cameras at that hotel, the cameras were active. We are aware of that. We are aware as well that there are statements given to the police in relation to what they saw on the phone of a person of interest to that hotel. So so this whole question of I don't know if the police are waiting until I know that these things are stored in the clouds, and we currently have another expert looking at that. But the thing about it is that if the police think that they are going to wait until all these things are disappeared out of the clouds and you can't get any type of footage whatsoever, then to come to tell the public or at some stage to say that we have no video, it remains questionable. We are also aware of the amount of DVRs that were handed over to the police that were retrieved from this. There are witnesses who saw when the police removed the DVR from the building. There are witnesses. There are witnesses who saw how many DVRs were handed over. And I can tell you the numbers differ. The numbers differ. I'm not going to call the numbers. They know the numbers. But I'm saying not because the family and the legal team, we are not engaging the police on these various points, that they must think that the knowledge is not there in relation to what is going on in this matter. But as I said, we will not pursue a matter in court calling on the police to act in this investigation because the police remain on record in saying that this matter is active. And so if there is any challenge, we're experienced lawyers. We know people are calling and saying, let us go to the court, let us go to the court. But if we go to the court and compel the police to do certain things, it is likely to be deemed a premature matter because the police are saying that the matter is still under investigation and it's still active. So we are awaiting the police to say they have concluded their investigations. And then we are going to present very clearly what is it we have. Then we are going to compare what the police has done and what we know from the investigations which were done on the ground. And then we will definitely battle this out in court.
Adriana vanished during a family outing at the Doubleday Hotel in Tushan on the west bank of Essequibo. Despite thorough searches of the hotel and its pool, her body was discovered in the same pool nearly 20 hours later, a development that has fueled public outrage and suspicion. Crime Chief Wendell Blanham has stated that the case remains an active investigation. Meanwhile, retired Royal Canadian Mounted Police investigator Leonard McCushion, who was hired to aid the police investigations, in a report on the matter said after spending a considerable amount of time reviewing all of the evidence and information that has been provided to him, he believes that there is no evidence of foul play in the matter by persons name or a name in the investigational information that was provided. Todd confirmed that the family's legal team is conducting an independent investigation aside to the one being led by the Guyana Police Force. He also criticized aspects of the official probe, noting that investigators have not yet interviewed key individuals who were present at the hotel at the time of the incident.
I cannot say that these persons refused to give statements because they did not. They were never contacted by the police. And so that is what I want. When they talk about this over 400 pages of report, I am a bit concerned where they got those things from, because the key person, I can tell you, the person who started the live of this young girl being missing was never interviewed by the police, was never contacted by the police. That person who started the live never moved from that scene. Never moved from that scene.
He revealed that the family has received the final autopsy report prepared by 3 international pathologists. That report, he noted, has also been sent overseas for further analysis by Dr. Carol Terry, who performed the second post-mortem examination.
I don't believe the police are going to cooperate with Dr. Terry outside of giving her that report. Because if the police were interested in cooperating with that, with Dr. Terry and their requests, their posture and their response to us as the legal team would have been quite different. Dr. Terry has questioned in relation to looking at videos, photographs of the pool, trying to determine whether there was anything in the pool that could have trapped her. She also requested very clear details in relation to the tile pattern, and that went now towards various impressions which were seen on the body.
The family is hoping that justice will be served in the matter.